For this assignment, Venture Prep students visited the Center for Wooden Boats to learn about the history of boat building, as well as the cultural aspects of it. During our visit, we engaged in hands-on activities such as building our own model boats and testing them.
We were taken into a room where one of the people who worked at the museum taught us about sailboats, which were the different parts of one and types of sailboats. After talking about it a bit, we were interested in how to create the boats. We would get a piece of wood, which would be the main part, or the hull, a mast, which is a pole that hangs the sail, a keel, which sits below the boat to balance it, and finally, the sail. So once we got all of our materials, we began. However, first we needed to design. We designed, beginning with our sails and measured accordingly to our boat and how we wanted to make it. Next up was then to get the keel installed on the bottom of the boat, which was just getting help with, so it was a bit complicated. We got that installed though, and then moved on to attach our mast and sails. To do our mast, we had to use the hand drill to drill a small hole into the top part of our hull and place the mast inside, so it was secure and held on. That was relatively simple, so the next step was the sail. We cut 2 holes on each sail and used string to go through the holes and attach it to the mast. Again, relatively simple. After we had done that, we finished and our boat was ready to be put into the water. We all went into a small little pond and placed our boats inside, letting the wind take them away. They actually did pretty well, some boats even going very fast with help from the wind, though everyone was able to successfully get their boat to traverse the water flawlessly.
After building our boats, we went to the main building where the museum was located. Near the entrance, there was a hallway with art on the walls and a staircase leading to more artwork. Most of the artwork had some relation to boats, nature, or the ocean. Down the hall, there was a workroom. In the room, there were boats in the process of being built and other artifacts. Most of the artifacts included art, photos, writing. From the museum, we learned more about the structure of boats, giving us the information needed to create boat drawings.
For the 7th through 10th grade class, we had an assignment tied into this field trip. We had to collect images and videos to later turn into a documentary video. We also had to write a 1 to 2 page reflection of what you did, observed, and things that fascinated you. Furthermore, every individual had to make their own technical boat drawing explaining the different parts of the boat based on what you observed at the museum. Lastly, we had to compile everything into a PowerPoint or Sway presentation.